This video will show you how to merge a customer in Cin7 in case you have duplicates, right? And it'll show you what it does. So first of all, go to the CRM section, click, and then filter to find what you're looking for. Right down here you see I have Coles, Sue Anderson, Sue Albernickel, and Stephen Jones, all from Coles, and I want to put them all together. So I'll check, come back up to Actions, click Merge Contacts, and it gives us this scary little message. What does this message mean? And how did it pick Sue Albernickel? It chooses the contact with the most transactions in it. Now what's going to happen is it's going to merge your transactions. It's going to keep all of your transactions, but this is where you need to be careful. It is not going to keep all of your contact data. So we are actually going to lose Sue Anderson and her email and phone number. We're going to lose Stephen Jones and his email and phone number. So copy and paste that into a spreadsheet. Maybe you could use the export feature, export into an Excel spreadsheet, save it, and maybe you can use that to import it if you need to keep that data. So it's just the transactions that Cin7 is going to keep. Confirm merge, and that's all there is to it. Let's go see the damage we did. Scroll down. Here's what's left. Sue Albernickel. I like that name, Albernickel. And you'll see there's no Stephen, there's no Sue Anderson. It all merged into Sue Albernickel and just kept all the transactions.